Hey guys, how's it going? How to retrieve deleted messages on Messenger. So, first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and check the archived chat, right? Tap on your profile picture and select archived chats. Deleted messages may be archived instead of permanently deleted. Next, move along to use the search bar in Messenger to see if the conversation still exists. Next, if you remember who you were chatting with, you can ask them to resend the message. And lastly, if necessary, and if you're using an Android device, you can try third-party data recovery tools, but results may vary. Note, once messages are permanently deleted, they cannot be recovered through Messenger. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. I will definitely see you in the next one.